My name is Rocelia Morales. I'm coming from Chicago, Illinois, and I came to M.E.E.T Ministry because of some health issues, and it's been an amazing experience. I mean, it has shown me how much I need to change and to take care of my body, because it's a temple of the Holy Spirit. So I wanted to thank everyone here, especially the staff, the nurses. They have been an amazing support. Their therapies have helped me so much. And this place is amazing. I mean, I've been enjoying their walks, the walks that I take every morning, every evening. So it's been an amazing experience. And all that support that they have given me, it helped me a lot. And just that now that it's ending, I'm taking so much information with me, so I can share with everybody else at my house. So I'm very thankful to everyone here. It's been an amazing experience.